Hi guys, this is Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a first impressions cum mini review of a product I was really excited about, and it's going to be the new Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I've heard so many good things about this product, so I went ahead and purchased it online from Nykaa. You can get this on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart and a variety of places. I have a very dry skin and I thought a Hydro Boost gel would be perfect. This says it gives 48 hours of hydration, that's 2 days of hydration, and it's recommended by dermatologists. This product is made in Korea product. It has purified hyaluronic acid which constantly pumps and locks moisture in from within, which boosts hydration for smooth supple skin all day. And I know this acid is like very good for people who require moisture in their skin. So if you're a person with like hugely dry flaky skin, this is the ingredient that you're looking for. Also, it has antioxidant olive extract which helps to repair and reinforce the skin's barrier. It is non-comedogenic and it's oil-free. The 48-hour claim is backed by a clinical study by Hilltop Research in 2014. It comes with like a cap, so it protects your product from like spillage. It has like a light floral scent going on. My skin is kind of oily these days. I don't know why. I'm generally a very dry skin person. Now I wish they did give a spatula or something, because this is like really not that hygienic, because you're supposed to put your finger in and just put it out. And for a premium price product, I just feel there's always a better option if you give something extra. So I'm going to be putting this. This is how the cream looks like, and I'm just going to be putting it on my face. Okay, this is like super light. Smell is a little floral scenty, but it's not like intense or on your face, so it's alright. Now the texture is like a cream gel kind, but it's very soft and light, and it kind of like disappears. It has this little residue, of course, because it's not water. It's going to leave some residue, but it's not sticky at all. No oiliness, nothing. My skin does not feel sticky at all. I think that's a great part, because I hate creams for that very reason. It's just started to dry out, which tells me that the skin is absorbing the product. Now I won't say I hate this product, because there's nothing to hate for me at this point of time. It looks alright, the finish is nice, it's hydrating, but I think the moisture part is a little lagging for me. I would have expected it to be a little more moisturizing. It just seems a little more lackluster than it claims to be. This is a gel which is priced at 850 rupees, and I feel for me as a middle class it is pricey. Like I do use the Pond's light moisturizer, and very honestly it's not sponsored, but I really love that product so much. I've been using it like since a year and I still reach for it. With this product, it just seems that there's a lot of like glamour out there, but it's not exactly what it claims to be. I don't think this moisture is going to last a day, leave alone 2 days, and I can't just feel anything now. It just seems like one sheen layer that's there, but there's no moisture, and I don't think I would pay so much to get this kind of a finish. I can get a product that's half of its price and just works fine for me. People who have oily skin but looking for a good moisturizer, I think this will work better for oily skin people. This one just lags for me a little bit, and I would not actually reach for it again. So my overall first impressions is it's a glamorous product. It's a product that you will be really proud to own and keep it in your vanity. But for me, I think it's a little lackluster. I can do without it. It's not something I have to have in my life. I can do without it. And for my rating, I will be rating it a 7 out of 10. Reach for it if you're looking for a very light moisturizer and you want a great glamorous product in your vanity. But if you are looking for something cheap and your go-to product, you can skip this out. So guys, with that, we're done with today's video. Hope you guys really liked it and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please press on the bell icon below to get a regular notification every time I upload a video. You can follow me on all my social media channels. All the links will be down in the description box below. Also, I will be linking down this product, so in case you are interested, you can go ahead and purchase it. So with that, I'll take a leave today. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week ahead. Ciao!